Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video we are gonna have a look to the beautiful new summer collection by Dior. So in my channel you can find a video dedicated to the new Dune palette. You see these beautiful queens. So the main inspiration by Peter Phillips for this collection is from the beautiful skies and also the desert sands. So we have very neutral nude shades in this collection, like Dune and Mirage, as these beautiful tones that really blends together in a very warm and luminous symphony. So in Italy actually has been released quite all the collection, and on the website, on the Italian website, you can find different products from Summer Dune collection. And I'm gonna have a look with you to the pieces of this collection. So let's start from the palette. That is the pieces I already have from this collection. And yes, I dedicated an entire video to this palette. You can see it's declined in very warm and terracotta tones. So this one, it has this orangey, and actually I'm wearing on my eyes, you see. I think that this palette has quite different tones. Instead, Mirage has a little warm symphony, a little bit more monochromatic, and it's really inspired to the colors of desert sands. So brown, orangey, and ochre, I don't know how to spell in English. In Italian we say ochre. And we have these beautiful tones. In June we have also this very luminous finish. We have this massive presence of micro glitters. So if you don't love glitters, consider that this palette has this beautiful, very beautiful little micro glitters that make this beautiful sparkling effect. And both these palettes are obviously limited edition. One of the main pieces of this collection that has been released, I think probably some days before this collection, and is the new Dior Forever Natural Bronze. So what about this new bronzer? As you can see, this bronzer is declined in 8 shades, very natural, and it's supposed to be to achieve a natural tan look. So when I'm talking about Dior bronzer, I'm always thinking of for example, nude bronzers that has a lot of shades mixed together, and it really adds to get a natural look. In particular, if you have a fair skin, like me for example. So I'm sure that these new shades are very beautiful and natural, but I don't know which shade to choose, because the fair, it seems to be quite fair for me, even if I got very fair skin, and instead the light bronzer, maybe it's a little bit deeper, but it could work brilliantly if I get a tan. So I really don't know what to choose, because I think I'm in the middle, and having one shade, I don't know really which to choose. I think that powder could be very excellent, because I think it's at the same technology of the powder that's been released before. It's supposed to keep your skin hydrated and having also a long-lasting effect. And you see it has this beautiful case, neutral, very classy. So let's move ahead and having a look to this duo pencil, and it is the Dior Show Color Graphist, and it has an eyeliner on one side, a black eyeliner, and an ivory golden pencil to the other side. Instead, there is another shade that has a blue eyeliner and a silver eye pencil. I really love the black eyeliner with the ivory pencil because you can really have this beautiful highlighting effect on the lower lashes and meanwhile define your eyes. So I think that it really works with the color of Dune palette that I own. So maybe if you have to purchase an eyeliner, you could consider this because it has the same case and point of the DIOR Show liner, so it is a very beautiful and precise liner. So then we have the DIOR Show Iconic Overcurl Mascara in waterproof edition. So if you consider it to swim or to go to the seaside, maybe it could be also a very good choice to wear mascara only. I just don't wear any makeup, I think, on the beach, but it's a very personal choice. So it's supposed to be very long lasting for 24 hours, I think is the claim, and also waterproof, so you can wear it in the morning and take it away at night, I think, something like this. Then we have two highlighters, and they are the two DIOR luminizers. And you see the texture is also inspired to the Dune theme of this main collection. They are offered in two shades, so the exact name is Pink Dune and Peach Dune. They both have mother of pearl pigments, so it's extremely luminous and also very natural in a way. One is a pearly pink and the other one is a coral shade. So they are both very delicate and they give you an extremely vibrant touch to your nude soft makeup. In particular, I saw this coral luminizer used by Peter Phillips that really gives a warm touch and extra luminous effect to the complexion, even on fair skin. And probably Peach Dune is the one that you can use also as a blush, so it can work both as an highlighter and as a blush on fair medium complexion. We have also two Stick Glow as highlighters in this collection, and it's Pink Sirocco and Golden Haze. We have this glowy stick that I really don't like so much because I don't like the formula, but I think that in summer maybe we have bare skin and maybe just a stick glow could help to give a little touch of color and a little touch of luminosity. It really depends by your preference. I prefer powder and also very subtle liquid highlighters. So now let's move to the lips. For lips we have a Rouge DIOR Forever liquid, and you can see the image here. It's about, I think, the 999 shade, so a very warm and vibrant red. And this formula seems to be really stunning. I didn't try it yet, and I heard very beautiful impressions about this formula because it's very comfortable on the lips and it's very long lasting also under a mask. So maybe you can consider for summer as a very long lasting product, but maybe you can use it also right now because we have this mask always on, and if you like to wear lipstick, maybe it's a nice formula to test. For the lips we have also new shades for DIOR Addict Stellar Gloss. I'm actually wearing Princess for DIOR Addict Stellar Gloss and I love this gloss. I always been a great fan of Dior Stellar Gloss. Maybe they changed the name, but they always been Dior Gloss, something like this, because they have this intense luminosity. They are not sticky, so you really don't feel them on your lips, even if it's a gloss. And I really love the effect that they give, because they really reflect light, and yes, it's a very good product in my opinion. And for this collection we had a golden hour shade, that is a golden with a violet micro glitter. So I have to check the name of this red gloss, that is the other shade in this collection, but the look I saw by Peter Phillips was with this beautiful golden hour lipstick. Then we have Dior Addict stick. I think that a shade is particularly beautiful. It is this tender beige, and it's really so sophisticated. It's a nude shade that doesn't seem to drain your face, because you have these soft tans. It seems a light cappuccino shade. It's very beautiful. I'm intrigued by the shade, and I will have a look much closer if I could. And the other shade, more intense, is Mirage, that has the same name of the palette, and it's a very warm shade. It's a warm coral shade. Then we have a Red Amber, that is a brick shade, a luminous brick shade, and a Jeep Red, that is a Nomad Red. We have also two Dune Graphist lipstick pencil. So as you probably already know, Rouge Graphist has supposed to be long lasting, so it's a very nice product to use, very precise in a way. You see this pencil is in a red shade, and there is a crepuscular. It is a deeper red, and then we have a more orangey red, and it is Voyage. So they are very beautiful. You see, in this collection we have also a neutral shade for the lips, but we have also a red touch. So in particular a deep red or a very vibrant orangey red that really works with this tan luminous complexion and the shades, the warm shades on the eyes. Last but not least, we have these beautiful nail polishes by Dior. I think the color that have been chosen for this summer by Dior are incredible in my opinion. So I think that the beige shade in this collection by Dior is very beautiful, absolutely stunning. And it's named Dune as the palette and the collection. I really, it's a beautiful point of beige rosé, the color that I love the most probably in nude shades. Then we have a Mirage, so the other palette, and you see it's a very warm coral shade. Then we have Hazard, it is a rosewood shade. Then Desert Nights, so something inspired to the sky. You see this very deep navy blue. So these four nail polishes are really, I think, the base of this color palette, because I think that they really represent the shades in the whole collection. So I think it's a very beautiful collection. Actually I have only this product, but I really think that it's a collection that deserves to be considered for summer. So I hope this video could be helpful for you, and let me know which is your favorite product from this beautiful collection and which one you are gonna buy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!